Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the March-April Shots of Life kit. So the Shots of Life comes out every other month. It's geared for our pocket page scrapbooking, but you can use it for traveler's notebooks, your memory planning. It also coordinates with our flavors of the month, so it's a perfect add-on for that kit. So as you can see, we have some beautiful collections, and if you've already gotten the flavors of the month, you've already got a taste of these. So we're going to go through and look at everything that you get. You get patterned paper that's cut aparts, but they're full 12 by 12 patterns on the back and lots of embellishments. So let's dig in. Let's take a look at all of the cut aparts and patterned paper first. So from March, we had the Doodle Bug design paper made with love, and this is the 3x4 cut aparts. These are adorable. They're so much fun to make quick cards from, and also to fussy cut and use for embellishments. You sprinkle the world with happiness. All you need is love. You bake me happy. You can even make cute little tags for baked goods. And these will go way past Valentine's Day. These are just full of sweetness and love. The back is a plaid paper in the pink, yellow, and the minty green. Just beautiful patterns and colors. From Welcome Spring, we have the 4x4 cut apart. Wishing you a beautiful spring day. I must have flowers. Always, always, Monet. The back is a print with these clouds. It has gingham clouds and then just solid blue clouds, and then all of the patterned rainbows and little sprinkles. From Luck of the Irish, this is Luck of the Irish, from Lucky Charm and Photo Play paper. We have this cut apart that has 3x4s and 4x6s. So I love Tula and Norbert, and this is so cute. I love him sliding down the rainbow, and you are my lucky charm. The back is rainbows and hats on green. From our spring collection, Echo Park Flower Garden, we have the 4x6 cut aparts. Again, just some beautiful, beautiful spring icons and titles. So these are perfect to tuck in on a layout as a title, and then also your pocket page scrapbookings, of course. The back is this beautiful butterfly print on white with the little black polka dots. From Pink Fresh, Keeping It Real, we have this cut apart that has some 3x4s, and then we have small square ones. These look about 2x2, 3x3, and then some tall skinny ones. So these are about 2x3. Super cute. I love these to tuck in. So these are great for your pocket page scrapbooking, and as well as taking like a 4x6 pocket and putting one like this and then a photo with it, so you have a little bit of decoration and photo both in your pocket. The back is this geometric design in the turquoise. Then from Photo Play paper, little boys have big adventures, is this cut apart with 3x4 and 4x6. Love the bright primary colors in here. A boy's best friend and this little dog and the little toy box in the house. Super cute. The back is this dark navy blue. It has alphabets scattered throughout it. This one is called Best Kid Ever. From Simple Stories and the Simple Vintage Cottage Fields, we have the 4x6 cut apart. Love theirs because they're already all layered up for you. They give you these little clusters in here. It's just gorgeous. And the back is this distressed text print with like watercolors over the top of it and some foliage in here. It's just gorgeous. So that's your pattern paper. Let me go ahead and flip it, and then I'm also going to show you, sometimes we get actual pocket cards from collections. So this is from Pretty Little Studios. This is the 4x6 cards. These are just one-sided. The backs are just white. So you'll see here this gorgeous vintage dress says lovely, and it has lines on it for journaling. This one has a little date and status stamp here, and it's a light pink. So that's perfect. You could use it as to mat a photo over here and journaling on the side, or put all journaling on there. The florals in the blue and the green on the white with black polka dot. And then we have some 3x4 cards. Now, of course, these are all going to vary among the kits. You'll get different cards from the set, but you can see all of the beautiful designs, the florals that will be in your kit. So that's some 3x4 and 4x6 cut aparts, or not cut aparts, but cards. So now let's look at the embellishments. So from Pretty Little Studio, we have some beautiful flowers. Let me move this. We have all of these little embellishments. That's just the black and white and the pink flowers from small to big. So again, those will vary, but you will see an assortment of those. Hopefully I got all of those in. Oh, missed a couple. From Doodlebug, you're going to get some star enamel dots. So I love these. These will match several of your collections. From Creative Embellishments, you're going to get some wood veneers. This is going to go with your Tula and Norbert. These are just awesome. They are embossed, so you get a little bit of design. These are going to vary, but this is what I got in my kit. So to give you a good idea. I love these. I'm so glad that Rochelle is including these in the last couple of kits. From Cartabella and the Flower Garden, you're going to get a sticker sheet. So these will vary as well, but this is the one I got. I have some icons, some bigger ones with phrases, and then some word labels, phrase labels. From the Doodlebug Made with Love, you get another sticker sheet. So again, these will vary. There's some canisters, all of the cooking utensils, and then the food, the little icebox and stove. I just think these are adorable, and they're so cute to make up little scenes. From Simple Stories, you're going to get some sticker sheets. I got the alphabets. And for Pink Fresh, Keeping It Real, you're going to get some puffy stickers. So these are the ones that I got. It will vary. You'll either get the top half or the bottom half. So great little phrases: busy doing nothing, perfectly imperfect right now, mischief, day by day. And then icons with books and music notes and the rain clouds. Super fun. I love me some puffy stickers. And then Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Cottage Fields. You're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. So these are always a lot of fun. I love these little tickets. They're almost like tickets, little paint swatches with phrases. And then the tickets down here, little word labels. These little clusters, like I was talking about before, that they already do for you. They're just all layered up. So cute, so quick and easy to embellish. And then all the beautiful butterflies. So that's a look at your Shots of Life kit for March and April. Be sure to check out the flavors of the month. Like I said, it coordinates with it. Check out all the other kits available in the store, and then come on over to the Facebook group and join us in on the challenges and share what you're making. We love to see what you make with your kits. So again, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.